guys, in one of our video we have seen how to make video conferencing call with Google Classroom and Google Hangout. Today we can see how to make the same video conferencing call with Google Classroom and Google Meet. Let us see how to make the video conferencing call now. For that you just log into your classroom and move to the classwork. So here you will have a Google Calendar. Click over that. Once the Google Calendar gets opened, click over the date when you are going to plan your meeting. So I am going to plan the meeting now, May 7, 6 p.m. Double click over that. You will get a new window. So here you can add the title, video call, and here you have a new option that add Google Meet video conferencing. You just click over it. So here you will be getting the ID for this meeting. So you just copy it, and here you just change the title or label to your classroom, and either you can invite the guest or else you can post this particular meeting title in your dashboard. So I am not going to invite the guest, but I am going to post this in the dashboard of my classroom. So after that you just close your calendar. So come to the streams, and here in the posting you just share, follow the link, and you paste the link here and you post the comment. So as soon as you post it, it will be getting reflected in the dashboard of the student also. Either here you can directly use this link to start the video call, or else you can go to the calendar and you can start the video call. Okay, so now we can just start the video call in our side. So we just click it and go to, just navigate to the Meet. So it will be getting navigated to the Meet, and here the Meet got opened. So now we can see the login of student. So here it showing that something was updated. So you can see it. So here you can see the post which we have posted has been reflected here. Here also we can do the same thing. We can go to that particular web address. So here also you can see the Meet gets opened. Okay, right. So here in the faculty side we shall open the account now. Join now. We have joined here. So here you can see the icon, and in the student side we have to ask for joining, or we have to get the permission from the faculty to join the meeting. So here we can click ask to join. On clicking it, here we will be getting a message that a student is asking permission to join the meeting. So if you want to admit him, we can admit him, or else we can deny the entry. So here I am admitting him. So admit. So as soon as I admit him, here I get the message Andrew Gracious joined. At the same time, in the student window, the window of the faculty will be getting opened. So here you can see. Okay, so this is the student window and this is the faculty window. Now both get displayed here. So here we will be having the informations of the meeting, and here we will be having only the captions or settings. Here a disadvantage between this Meet and the Hangout is we will not be able to do the screen sharing. So in the Hangout, in the previous one of the video, we have discussed how to make a video conferencing with the help of Hangout. There we have shown the process that we can share the video, but here the sharing video is not available. Okay, so once you finish the meeting, you can disconnect it. So here I am cutting the call, and here I am cutting the call. That's it. So both of them left the meeting now. So this is how the meeting has to be scheduled in the Google Meet. Thank you.